In order to quickly copy, cut, or paste your audio in Reaper, you'll have to do these steps. So a lot of the time you'll want to copy your clip. So what you will do is just select that particular clip, hold Control or Command if you're using Apple, and then copy. So copy with C, or you can just use this copy items. And obviously you press Control V or Command V or paste right here. So this is easy, but these simple things you can struggle with. For example, what if you want to copy just a portion of this particular audio clip? Then you would have to click the right mouse button after you choose that particular portion. So for example, right now, if I click Control C, it will copy the whole clip. I have to press the right mouse button and go ahead and select copy selected area of items. Otherwise, it will copy the whole clip. So then you choose where you want to paste it and you are good to go. You can move that clip all around. And the same applies for cutting your audio. So cutting is Control and X or Command and X on Apple, and then you can also just find it here. You can cut this particular portion and you can paste it somewhere. And that's all there is to it.